Welcome everyone on our mobile channel. In this video I want to show you how you can boost sound of your headphones or of your Android device. So it's pretty simple, above the maximum level of course. It's pretty simple. You need to open Play Store, then type in Sound Booster and choose one of the apps. So I was using this one because my primary app for listening music and audiobooks is VLC Media Player, and this app has no problems with it. Here is some comments that told that they have problems with other applications and with boosting sound in other applications, but for me it's perfect. If it wouldn't work for you, you can choose another one. Just download it, install and test. Once again, I'm using Volume Booster, Sound Booster, and it's pretty good. So, if this video was helpful, please press like and subscribe button. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.